In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've lived in Chiang Mai, Thailand for less than $1,000 a month. I'm going to walk you through my routine here in Chiang Mai to show you exactly what I spend money on and where in terms of food, housing, transportation, and communication. As I do, we'll be keeping a running budget of my expenses in this Excel spreadsheet. Then I'll share with you an online calculator I built to help you plan your lower cost of living in northern Thailand. Some of you watching this video may be excited about the idea of the low cost of living in other countries, and some may be interested in immersing yourself in another culture, while others, like me, may just have become sick of your meth head neighbors. You know who you are with the boat in your driveway, and you want to change the scenery. In any case, Chiang Mai, Thailand is a good option, with great food, rich culture, friendly people, and a very low monthly price tag. Let's start with housing. Now, I'm sitting in the room that I've been renting for the last few months called Number 4 Old Town. It's a very simple place with a small kitchenette, a bed, a desk, a bathroom, and a fan. No AC, but it's only 7,000 baht per month, about 220 US dollars. Now, I have a friend who's living nearby in an apartment for the same monthly cost. He has AC, but no kitchen. If you're gonna live on the cheap in Chiang Mai, you'll have to make some concessions. Now let's head out into the city as I walk you through the course of my day here in Chiang Mai. I get my morning started pretty early here in Chiang Mai with a 5 a.m. workout, but you won't see a line item for gym membership in my $1,000 budget. That's because I walk on over to this public park at the southwest side of Old City and take full advantage of a free gym. Sure, the equipment's a little dated, but if you get here early enough, you can hang out with Barney Rubble and Fred Flintstone before they head to work at the rock quarry. My food costs here in Chiang Mai are fairly easy to calculate, since I mostly cook for myself, and every morning I go to this same market and get pretty much the same thing. Every morning I come here and see these fine young ladies and buy about 100 baht worth of vegetables. Every morning I go to the same fruit vendor who never fails me on his perfectly ripe avocado. I typically spend about 25 to 40 baht at the fruit vendor. Now I've got one more stop to make. Chicken. I typically spend 40 or 50 baht at this same butcher shop. And I got 2 large chicken breasts, very ripe avocado and mango, 2 heads of lettuce, a couple of large carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, a couple of red onions, and some red peppers. Not bad for $6. One of the great charms of Chiang Mai Old City is that it's a very walkable place, which is not only good for your health and fitness, but also for your budget, since you can run most of your errands here on foot. But sometimes you will want a bit more mobility, like for weekly runs to the grocery store. Motorbikes in Chiang Mai can be rented on the cheap, and I've got just the place in mind for the budget-minded traveler. Just come over here and see these guys at Bamboo Bikes, and they'll toss you the keys to a sweet ride like this for as little as 100 baht per day. That's cheaper than the price of a tall coffee at the Starbucks down the street. Now, 100 baht a day is only going to get you a crappy little motorbike that's not powerful enough to go up to the mountains where all the cool waterfalls and hikes are. But it will get you a motorbike that's just good enough for weekly runs to the grocery store. Like this one. On top of my morning runs to the market, I make a weekly trip to this Lotus grocery store. I spend about another $40 a week here on other groceries I can't get at the market, like coffee, salad dressing, and canned goods. If you're really on a budget here in Chiang Mai, you can come to 3 baht Noodles, where they have noodles for, you guessed it, 3 baht. 3 baht's about 10 cents. So if you're doing the math with me, Yes, that's right. You can get 10 bowls of soup for $1, or get the ever popular 6-bowl set like I just did for 18 baht. And you thought ramen noodles were keeping you on a college budget. Top it off with salt, sugar, pickled peppers, and chili flakes for spice. And it looks like a Buddha branded version of fish sauce. As I've said in other videos, you know it's good when you're drinking the broth. So now you're getting a sense of what a $1,000 a month budget looks like here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Let's go back to our spreadsheet and take a look at some of my other baseline expenses. You saw me rent the motorbike in the video. I also have some other transportation costs here in that I take a Grab bike ride about once a week. Once a week I might take a car as well. So I put $25 in here, which is about what I spend per month on Grab rides. Most people like me here in Chiang Mai get something called the True SIM card, which you can buy at 7-Eleven. And it gives me a local phone number and data in addition to my US-based phone number. This Visa line item, if you plan on being here longer than 30 days, you need to include the cost of either a Visa extension or a Visa run into your monthly budget. The VPN plan, that's your virtual private network. If you plan on using your home country's subscription services, like your US-based Netflix or HBO account, you're going to need a VPN. Most people use ExpressVPN, which is $12.95 per month. Many of you would have those monthly streamer subscription costs. I don't, but I do have one to Adobe Creative Suite, which is $55 a month, and a work-related job website that brings in work for me. So that's that $70 line item there. So that brings my monthly total to $959. And for a few months anyway, I have lived here on that budget. So to make things easier for you to estimate the cost of your lifestyle in Chiang Mai, I've built an online calculator and posted it on my blog. In the income section, just type in your income in US dollars and the calculator will automatically convert that income into Thai baht. In the expenses section, you could choose from a pull-down list of lifestyle tiers. Backpacker, for those of you who want to stick to a budget. Expat, for those of you who might stay for a while and reap the rewards of long-term deals. And digital nomad, for travelers who are just going to go crazy with the credit card. Find the calculator at followbrando.com. There it is, your monthly budget plan for living in Chiang Mai, Thailand for under 1,000 US dollars per month. And with all of that money you'll be saving from your lower cost of living here in Chiang Mai, you can afford some of the finer things in life, like a cup of Starbucks coffee, which actually costs more here in Thailand than it does in the States. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.